welcome back to the channel. Now, this is quite an important update on Harmony, simply for the fact that I haven't done an update on this particular cryptocurrency in quite some time. And as we are approaching all-time highs, many of you are probably wondering, why did this occur? Now, let's go all the way back. We entered this coin super duper cheap at the start of the year. Really good entry, and obviously we did start to see that parabolic rally. We caught the whole move, and I believe we did an update around this area predicting that price would go to, lo and behold, this structure area. Price actually went further and then started to dump. But even if you did take profit at this area, again, for a short-term play, that is a nice percentage move, and I'm going to explain why shortly. But of course the pullback did happen, and this is where we did another update, and as you can see, price pretty much started to trend to the downside. So we're probably wondering what has caused this rally. Now, firstly, let's have a look at the overall percentage gain for the year. So as you can see, over 2,785%, which is phenomenal, just under 2,800%. Last 30 days, 102%, 14, 90%. Last 7, 63%. This is green across the board. Now, what would you be looking for when you're looking to buy into a project that's almost at all-time highs, right? Especially when you do not want to chase. Again, you don't want to chase the market, but you do want to get yourself positioned for a nice long-term trading setup, right? So number one, price is currently at 19 cents, right? The total supply is 13 billion coins. But guess what, guys? The actual market cap is just above $2 billion. Me personally, and I said this before, you can go back on my recent videos, I said, for what Harmony is trying to achieve, this project will do extremely well over the long term, right? Extremely well over the long term. And I believe this is at least a 10 to 15 billion dollar project, at least. And that's for the midterm, right? 10 to 15 billion dollar project. Price is currently at 2.1 billion, which means we still have a long way to go. Could we hit $1 before the end of this cycle? Potentially, but even then I will not be selling my coins, right? Especially until we get to that 10 and 15 threshold. Now, if we go on the website quickly, scaling cross-chain, Ethereum applications, etc. So this is a project with a real use case and a real need. There's currently 68 apps with over 135,000 wallets and 96.8 million in assets. You know, payouts 1.9, let's call it 1 million. NFTs, over 3,000 artists at the moment. This is a growing project. So even buying at this area here, in my opinion, fair enough. You know, price could dump on you again and go all the way back down to 7 cents. It could happen, but that's why I'm saying it all depends on your time frame. Are you looking at this from a longer term perspective and seeing its overall undervalue, or are you looking at this purely from a price action perspective, right? Because remember, guys, this what you're seeing here will look like this when price starts to storm towards that 50 cent and $1 mark. So it's all relative. And of course, if you are just chasing gains for the year, then there'll be other cryptocurrencies with more room for growth. I mean, even if we do hit 50 cents by the end of this bull cycle on this cryptocurrency, that's another 150%. Do I believe we can see this go even more than that? Yes, I do. So let's just say $1. Let's say we hit that $1 area. Let's just go up, scroll up. Sorry, let's just delete this. So even if we go to that $1 area, there we go. This is nearly 400%. So it's quite a nice risk to reward trade setup based on what I've gone through so far. Now, with that being said, guys, we will be keeping an eye on this project, and we will give more updates for you guys, just so you guys could follow this journey just like I do on other cryptocurrencies like OMI, etc. So we're going to do that with Harmony as well. For those of you that watched our first video and captured these moves, congratulations. If you haven't, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel because we have a lot more gems underway. And remember, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. With that being said, guys, click the link in my description and join the Telegram group because that's where you're going to be able to stay up to date on all our latest updates, news updates, technical updates, and much more. Remember, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. With that being said, seize the day.